Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly install ESXI or VMware ESXI 8 using iDRAC. Of course, there are multiple ways to install an ESXI. You can connect your USB drive uh, to the server itself directly and just boot from it. But in this video, I'm going to be doing it remotely through iDRAC. And what I have here is a server. Dell R650, but this applies to any server. So when I booted server, I came to this live controller cycle thing. So what I'm going to do now is first you need to download VMware ESXi from your portal. I already downloaded it and I put it in the temp folder. So the next thing is to connect and map this virtual media, this ISO CD to the iDRAC. So you go to virtual media and you say connect virtual media. And then you choose a file, which is the ISO image. So I have it on temp. And then I'm just going to say map device and close. And now I'm going to go to boot and just say for the next boot, go ahead and boot from the virtual CD and say yes. And I'm simply going to go to power and say reset system boot. And what that's going to do is going to reboot the server. And we're going to go and boot from the ESXi ISO. So I'm going to pause this video because the server is going to take some time until it comes back. And once it comes back, I'm going to continue with you and resume the video. Okay, so it's still booting and it's loading. I just wanted you to see the screen while it's loading, but we did not install anything yet. We're still waiting. So I'll pause again and resume once the installer starts. Okay, so this is the first screen. It's a welcoming screen. It says if you want to continue, press enter. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And here I'm going to go ahead and accept the terms and conditions by pressing F11. It's scanning now for available devices. So you can, choose where to install it. So I do have this BOSS device, which is 2 SSD cards that we usually do. This is how we do it in production. So I'm going to install it on this one and I'm going to hit enter to continue. I'm going to choose US defaults. And here I'm going to go ahead and enter the password. And this is the root password that you will be using to access ESXi. And here I'm going to hit continue. Okay, and here just confirming that this is what I want to do. And I'm going to hit F11 to install. And that's going to take some time now. I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's completed to show you. In the meantime, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Okay, so at this point it says installation is complete. Remove the installation media before rebooting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to virtual media, unmap the device, and disconnect it. And make sure I am booting regular, normal boot. And I'm just going to say enter to reboot. And that's going to take some time, so I'll pause and come back when it's done. Okay, it booted back up, and as you can see now we have ESXi 8.0.2, which is the latest as of this the time of this video. And basically that's how you install and configure ESXi from remotely. Of course, if you want to configure it, you would hit F2, as you can see here, F2, and you start configuring. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this, and have a good day.